What are the best foods that help you sleep? A good night's sleep without any disturbance is quite important for our overall health, and it keeps us in charge of staying relaxed and improves immunity. But many people struggle the whole night to get deep sleep, and many factors can affect your sleep like stress, poor eating habits, overactive mind, any health discomfort, etc. Generally, a person needs 7 to 8 hours of sleep at night, and if you are tired of counting sheep and doing various things to get a good night's sleep, don't worry, we will love to help you. Foods that help you sleep at night. In this video, we have mentioned the best foods that help you sleep. Many people love late-night snacks, so why not choose certain foods that can improve sleep at night? So let's have a look at 9 foods that promote sleep. 1. Bananas. Most people think banana is a daytime food, but eating before going to bed will surprisingly help better sleep. Bananas are rich in magnesium and potassium, which provide natural muscle relaxation. Bananas are not only delicious in taste but also have many benefits. A special component called tryptophan is added to the banana found in Turkey and generates serotonin to stimulate muscle relaxation. That's why people feel like taking a nap after Thanksgiving dinner. 2. Kiwi. Kiwi fruit is a powerhouse of such minerals, vitamins, and nutrients and is loaded with antioxidants. Many people carve this green delicious fruit, and you can do various experiments with it. Kiwi fruit is low in calories, and many studies show that eating 2 kiwi fruits before going to bed improves sleep quality and helps people sleep quickly. Kiwi also includes serotonin that regulates sleeping time and quality. There is no such harm or any bad effects eating kiwi before sleep, so go with that. Just eat 1 or 2 medium kiwis and eat them fresh. 3. Milk. Milk is one of the best foods for promoting sleep. Drinking lukewarm milk just before bedtime is a well-known remedy, often recommended by grandmothers. This is because milk contains tryptophan, an amino acid that helps regulate serotonin, improving sleep quality. Other dairy products, such as cottage cheese, can also be beneficial. To enhance your sleep, try drinking a glass of warm milk with little or no sugar each night. 4. Almonds. Almonds are excellent sources of riboflavin, phosphorus, and manganese, fiber, and antioxidants that are very beneficial to promote overall health and a good night's sleep as well. Almonds are the best foods to improve sleep. People who are fighting insomnia must eat almonds before going to sleep. Almonds regulate the melatonin hormone responsible for sleep. Eating almonds regularly reduces stress hormones and helps in deep sleep without any interruption. Many studies announce that eating almonds before bed had a longer deep sleep than those who didn't eat almonds. Just consume 5 to 6 almonds, or you can also add crushed almonds into 1 glass of warm milk and consume them before bed. 5. Walnuts. Walnuts contain 19 types of vitamins and are rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, copper, manganese, magnesium, and phosphorus, and work as a great heart health ingredient. Walnuts are the best food for good sleep. Many people felt an instant transformation in their sleep quality after eating walnuts. Just eat a handful of walnuts before going to bed. 6. Cherry juice. Cherry is the food that makes you sleepy. Cherry juice is an impressive beverage that can dramatically change the sleep quality and make it better than your expectation. Cherry juice has vitamin C, antioxidants, serotonin, and tryptophan required for a good night's sleep and muscle relaxation. The studies believe that consuming 1 or 2 cherry juice glasses can be an effective remedy for people with insomnia or sleeping disorders. The tart cherry juice naturally regulates the sleeping hormone, and your body automatically indicates sleep, and the next day you awake with a fresh and active mind and body. 7. Honey. Every health-conscious person carves honey, and this delicious ingredient is rich in many effective components and nutrients. Taking 1 tablespoon of fresh organic honey before sleep can better sleep quality and make it longer and deeper. Honey is the known best foods that promote deep sleep. Honey stimulates melatonin and other sleeping hormones and promotes body relaxation and comfort, and within a few days, you feel changes. 8. Chamomile tea. Drinking chamomile tea is also a good option for those who are seeking better sleep quality. Chamomile tea is rich in antioxidants and other needed minerals and works great for chronic diseases and improves skin health. Chamomile tea contains apigenin, which reduces stress and insomnia and provides muscle relaxation, aiding in better sleep. People who drank chamomile tea for 2 weeks reported superb results and improved sleep quality. 9. Vitamin C. Vitamin C may improve sleep quality by reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Its antioxidant properties help combat oxidative stress, potentially leading to better sleep and overall health benefits. Studies suggest that vitamin C can promote the production of melatonin and serotonin, hormones essential for sleep. While supplements are available, it is recommended to obtain vitamin C from natural sources. Eating a fresh orange or a bowl of freshly sliced pineapple before bed can be beneficial.